Feels like forever, still I think of you often. Seasons of Seinfeld in that shitty apartment. I said I loved you for the first time in August.
Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create this trending Instagram reels using Inshot video editor. So guys, make sure you watch the video to the end so that I don't miss any of the vital steps in creating this trending Instagram reels. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. Open Inshot and create any video projects. Add your main photo. Increase the duration to 10 seconds. Scale up the photo and use keyframes to move the photo from the left to the right. Now see the results. Go to Effects. Under Style, select Below. Adjust the intensity. Clip the effect to the end. Next, go to PIP and overlay this material. I will put the link to download it in the description below. Make it full screen. Now go to Cutout. Select Chroma and place the key on the green color to remove the green screen. Set the strength and shadow. Split and delete the any parts. Now export the video. Create a new video project with your main photo. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Now go to PIP and overlay the video we just saved. Make it full screen. Go to Cutout, select Chroma, place the key on the blue color to remove the blue screen. Set the strength and shadow. Adjust the main photo to fit into the frame. Go back to PIP and import this atmosphere material from Inshot material library. Make it full screen so you can make this video more professional by adding music and captions to it. So here is the final result.
Feels like forever, still I think of you often. Seasons of Seinfeld in that shitty apartment. I said I loved you for the first time in August.
Thanks for watching. Much love I got for you. Make sure you subscribe for more Inshot tutorials.